Protecting brain health and preventing dementia with food. As people age, many worry about memory loss and declining brain function, fearing the onset of dementia. In South Korea, the number of dementia patients aged 65 and older has reached 840,000, about 1 in 10 elderly individuals. The prevalence of dementia continues to rise, but experts emphasize that choosing the right foods in our daily diet can help protect brain health and even prevent dementia. Today, we will explore 2 of the best foods to eat regularly in the morning for brain health and dementia prevention, their effective consumption methods, and their additional benefits. Eggs and broccoli, a powerful brain-boosting breakfast. A well-balanced breakfast is essential for maintaining brain health, and consuming eggs with broccoli in the morning can significantly enhance cognitive function and help prevent memory decline. These 2 superfoods provide essential nutrients that support brain function, protect neurons, and reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases like dementia and Alzheimer's. Eggs are among the most nutrient-dense foods for brain health, packed with essential compounds such as choline, lecithin, and omega-3 fatty acids. These nutrients play a critical role in brain development, memory retention, and cognitive function, making eggs an excellent dietary choice for preventing dementia. Choline is a vital nutrient that supports brain health by aiding in the production of acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter responsible for learning, memory storage, and cognitive processing. Studies have shown that people with higher choline intake tend to have better memory and cognitive performance as they age. A study published in the International Journal of Nutrition observed 1,104 adults over 24 years and found that individuals who consistently consumed eggs had a 47% lower risk of developing Alzheimer's disease compared to those who did not eat eggs regularly. Researchers attribute this protective effect to choline, which enhances brain function by supporting communication between neurons. Additionally, pregnant women and older adults can benefit significantly from choline. In fetuses and infants, choline plays a crucial role in brain development, while in older adults, it helps prevent age-related cognitive decline. Eggs are also a rich source of lecithin, a type of phospholipid essential for maintaining the integrity of brain cell membranes. Each egg contains about 1.5 grams of lecithin, making it one of the richest natural sources. Lecithin has several brain-boosting benefits. It helps repair and maintain brain cells, protects them from oxidative stress and inflammation, supports memory retention by assisting in transmitting memory-related signals between neurons, and enhances cognitive function. Research has shown that lecithin supplements improve cognitive performance in individuals with mild cognitive impairment. A study conducted by the University of Eastern Finland examined 297 adults and found that those who consumed eggs daily had a reduced risk of dementia and Alzheimer's disease, as well as significant improvements in language skills, cognitive abilities, and mental clarity. Eggs, especially those enriched with omega-3, contain DHA, docosahexaenoic acid, an essential fatty acid that plays a crucial role in brain structure and function. DHA is known to reduce brain inflammation, a major contributor to cognitive decline and Alzheimer's disease, enhance synaptic plasticity, which improves communication between brain cells, and slow cognitive decline. Studies suggest that individuals with higher omega-3 intake have a lower risk of developing dementia. Pairing eggs with broccoli enhances their brain-boosting effects. Broccoli is a superfood rich in sulforaphane, an antioxidant that protects brain cells from damage and helps remove harmful toxins. Sulforaphane is a compound found in cruciferous vegetables like broccoli that has strong neuroprotective properties. Research from Seoul National University found that when sulforaphane was administered to subjects with dementia, It significantly reduced levels of beta amyloid and tau proteins, which are responsible for Alzheimer's disease. Sulforaphane also stimulates the production of detoxifying enzymes that remove harmful substances accumulating in the brain, protects neurons from oxidative stress, and supports neurogenesis, the process of forming new neurons that enhance memory and learning ability. To maximize the benefits of sulforaphane, broccoli should be steamed rather than boiled. Studies from the University of Illinois show that steaming broccoli for 3 minutes helps retain up to 400% more sulforaphane compared to boiling or overcooking. Additionally, consuming broccoli with wasabi, mustard, or radish can boost sulforaphane activation due to the presence of myrosinase, an enzyme that enhances its bioavailability. The role of broccoli in dementia prevention. Broccoli is another brain-boosting food, packed with sulforaphane, a compound that helps eliminate substances linked to dementia. According to research conducted by Seoul National University, when dementia-afflicted test subjects were given sulforaphane, it removed 70 to 80% of harmful amyloid beta and tau proteins, both key contributors to Alzheimer's disease. The study concluded that sulforaphane promotes the production of enzyme proteins that actively remove dementia-causing substances from the brain. The most effective way to consume eggs and broccoli for brain health and dementia prevention is through proper preparation. Eggs contain lecithin, which is best absorbed when they are soft-boiled rather than fully cooked. Overheating can make digestion more difficult, especially as we age. To prepare the perfect soft-boiled egg, bring water to a boil, reduce the heat to medium, add the eggs, and cook for exactly 8 minutes. This keeps the yolk soft and creamy, making nutrients like lecithin and choline more bioavailable, which supports memory and cognitive function. Broccoli, on the other hand, should be steamed rather than boiled. Many people boil broccoli and dip it in gochujang, a vinegar-based chili paste, but this method destroys key nutrients. A study from the University of Illinois found that sulforaphane, a compound in broccoli known for its neuroprotective properties, requires an enzyme called myrosinase for proper absorption. Boiling broccoli destroys most of this enzyme, reducing its effectiveness, while steaming it for about 3 minutes preserves myrosinase and increases sulforaphane's bioavailability by up to 400%. Additionally, avoiding vinegar-based dips is crucial because the antioxidants in broccoli break down when exposed to acidic ingredients, reducing their health benefits. Instead, it's best to pair broccoli with wasabi, mustard, or raw radish, which contain myrosinase and further enhance sulforaphane absorption. For optimal brain health and dementia prevention, the best approach is to eat soft-boiled eggs cooked for 8 minutes, steam broccoli for 3 minutes, avoid acidic dips like vinegar-based sauces, and instead use wasabi, mustard, or radish as condiments. By following these methods, you can maximize the nutritional benefits of these superfoods and support long-term cognitive health. Steaming broccoli and pairing it with a sauce containing wasabi or mustard can maximize its sulforaphane antioxidant effects. Sulforaphane is fat-soluble, meaning its absorption is significantly enhanced when consumed with protein and healthy fats. Therefore, eating broccoli with tofu, which contains both protein and fat, is an excellent way to boost its bioavailability. By incorporating these foods into your morning routine, you can effectively support brain health and help prevent dementia. Additional health benefits of eggs and broccoli. Boosting immunity. Eggs are rich in selenium and vitamin D, which are essential for strengthening the immune system. These nutrients help regulate thyroid hormones and enhance the activity of macrophages, the body's defense cells that fight harmful bacteria and viruses. Meanwhile, broccoli is ranked as the top anti-cancer food by the U.S. National Cancer Institute due to its powerful immune-boosting and antioxidant properties. Eating eggs and broccoli together creates a synergistic effect, further strengthening the immune system. Managing blood pressure. Broccoli contains 365 milligrams of potassium per 100 grams, making it an excellent food for lowering blood pressure by helping the body flush out excess sodium. Additionally, eggs help raise levels of HDL, good cholesterol, which supports heart health and reduces the risk of strokes. Consuming these two superfoods regularly can help prevent various cardiovascular diseases, including hypertension, atherosclerosis, and heart disease. Today, we explored the two best foods for brain health and dementia prevention. In addition to their neuroprotective effects, eggs and broccoli offer anti-cancer benefits and promote muscle health. If you found this information helpful, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Stay healthy, and see you in the next video with more valuable health insights.